Now, as new developments continue to emerge about the COVID-19 Omicron variant worldwide, uncertainty lingers over the possible impact the new strain could have on the visitor arrivals in Jamaica. Anthony Lugg has that report.
Local public health experts have warned that it's only a matter of time before the Omicron variant is detected in Jamaica. Since the emergence of the latest strain of COVID-19, countries the world over have been implementing measures to curtail its spread and protect its citizens. And already, concern lingers about the possible impact on visitor arrivals in Jamaica. Shane Monroe is CEO at the Sangster International Airport.
The Omicron is certainly a concern for us. The major impact it will have is really if there are travel restrictions implemented by various governments or further measures implemented that affect passenger confidence.
Already, Canada has warned its nationals against non-essential travel. However, those who decide to travel would be subject to new arrival testing procedures on their return to Canada. This is Jamaica's second largest market, which accounts for 14% of stopover arrivals. We put the issue to senior strategist in the Tourism Ministry, Delano Seavright.
That's a concern to us, but so far, a lot of Canadians are still traveling. Some have cancelled, but so far the numbers are holding fairly steady, and I think that's because of vaccination on one hand by them, but also the fact that our destination, our resilient corridor, has proven to be very safe for tourists and workers alike.
It's early days yet, but as health ministries around the world grapple with the emergence of the new strain, it's feared that more countries could follow similar protocols to the ones implemented in Canada. If that should happen, the impact on the tourist sector could be devastating. However, the Tourism Ministry remains optimistic.
We expect to end the year at about 1.5, 1.6 million. We were happy with Saturday arrivals at Montego Bay Sangster International Airport. We had about 9,152 passengers, or 9,153 passengers coming into the country on Saturday. That's the highest number coming into Montego Bay since we reopened the borders in June last year. So what that signals to us is that there is strong interest in the destination, and whilst the new variants are of concern and we do have issues and we do have some cancellations, people are still coming.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.